Okay, this is part 2 on this cab panel. I still have to straighten all this corner. I've got a lot of welding to do, so let's get going on it. This outside edge here is rolled in so far it's got this driven down. So it's got that kind of accordion and pinched together. Same with here. But to get started, I'm going to take my pick and just work in this area and see what I can do here. Okay, what I'm going to try and do, put this pick in here and actually catch this inside crease and see if I can push up on it. By pushing up, it should force this out. And I'll start towards the back here. Well, it seems to be working, and I'm hammering on this edge to relieve the stress. Okay, I'm going to use my cutoff wheel. I'm going to cut this edge right here so I can open that up and get into here. This is an old tire tool I picked up at a junk shop years ago. Comes in handy for all kinds of stuff. This is one of those areas where you just have to improvise everything you're doing. Just have to figure it out as you go. Okay, that's not looking bad. Looking at the other side, this should come straight out all the way through and then down to here. So there shouldn't be any buckle in here. It's a little wavy, but the Bonder will fill that in. Okay, with the door shut, I got a pretty good gap. I'm going to weld this back up to here. I'll worry about straightening all this, and I'll have to make a piece to put in here and weld in. Okay, that don't look too bad. I'm going to get in here, do some more straightening on this, and then make a filler piece, get that welded in. Cut just a little piece of sheet metal here. I'm going to slide that down and I'm going to weld this across here. Then I'll cut it off to the profile and then I'll just come in and weld the top up. Okay, not looking too bad. I'm going to pull the welding blanket off and see what my door gap looks like. I can live with that. Way better than what I started with. Okay, this is going to sit for a couple days before I get back on it, so I wanted to put some etch prime on there, keep it from rusting in the meantime. The next video on this cab corner, I'm going to start my Bondo work. That'll do it for this one. Thanks for watching.